Welcome to Bagare, guys. So today I'll be coding out, coming up with a solution to a COVID-19 problem, right? So I didn't prepare anything, so just don't mind me if I make mistakes in this video. So I'll be giving you a live coding session whereby I'll allocate 10 minutes to come up with a solution. So I'll code this out in Java. How the solution will go, like, it will take in the student number, so it would manage students coming in campus, take in their student number, their name, and their temperature, and say that if their temperature is between 30 and 50, then they are safe. If it's above 50, then they're overheating. And then if it's below 30, then it would say that the student is they got COVID-19. So yeah, that's just me going to go about coding that. So I'll start off the timer there, and then I'll start my screen record. So let me just get that set up for now before I start the video. Let me open. So my screen record is open. I know I tend to be slow. I tend to code slow when people are watching, so I don't know if how this will work. So 10 minutes is what I will have. Guys, trust me, 10 minutes is not enough. It's not enough. So let me have some water. Stretch. Let's go with this. This is a Java program that I'll be creating. So before I'll first start the screen record, then start the timer, and then go about doing the solution. Okay, let me come here. There we go. Yo, let's go. Let me start the timer now. That's 10 minutes, right? Okay. All right. Let's start our project. COVID solution. Don't. Okay, let's come here. We'll create. What am I doing? See, told you. That's our main method. Okay, so we'll have our to do. We'll enter the name, the student. So this the name, number, which is the student number, and then their temperature, right? Temp. Stating if temp, if it's between 30 to 50, they're safe. And then if their temp, if it's lesser than 30, they've got COVID, right? If it's above 50, overheating. That's just our, yeah. Let's now go about doing this. So I'll start off with creating a scanner, right? This will scan the new. So this will scan our user input, right? System.in, right? Let's just come here. Have our scanner. We'll have the name of the student, right? We'll have num. Now we'll just have num. Or do you want it to be more descriptive? Man, just didn't want to put in a long variable. Then their temperature, so store that into a temp. Right, our student number needs to be an integer. Right, let's go. So we'll have, because we'll be managing multiple students, we'll have a while loop. While true, that will just have an infinite loop. And then we'll store in, we'll want the user input to enter your student number, right? Enter your student number, and then one student. That's why I didn't want a long names. We'll convert whatever that's being passed in the scanner. Scan.nextLine. So next line, right? But now we'll have to trim that, right? And then we'll put this in a try catch, because then we don't want users to input an incorrect value and just carry on with life. Exception E. Right. And then we'll just cut that, paste that there, system out. Invalid input. And then now this will then, if it's an invalid input, just go back to the loop, just continue. So after that we'll want the student's name, right? System out, enter your name. Oh, come on, why you do this? Scan dot next line. We just want to trim that. After that, they've entered their name. Just now we want the temperature, so temp, we'll just have that in there, right? We'll just scan that next line. I guess you can see a repetition of what I'm doing. So we'll just trim the input, right? After trimming the input, now we have got that. Okay, we'll also have this in a try catch block. I'll just copy this one. Come on, I don't have enough time, so just copying it will work out for me. We'll paste that invalid input, and then yeah, if it's an invalid input, then we'll just want them to start all over again. Yeah, and then after that, well, they've got an invalid input, and then if the input is valid, then we'll just test for their temperature. If their temperature is greater than 30, or greater or equals to 30, let's just say greater or equals to 30. Oh man, where are these and signs? Temp is less than equal to 50. We'll just say, hey, we'll just say student. We'll just say their student number. We'll print out their student number. Let's just say student number. We'll just print out their name. Oh, what's going on? Name, student name. We'll just say this is a ticket that they will use in campus, right? And then status, we'll just have their status, system out, right? And then we'll say student status almost done. Also, if okay, what you have COVID. No, you are safe. Yeah, no, we wouldn't want to print these out here, right? We'll just want to print it out here, right? Else if the student's temperature is greater than 50, we'll just print out this saying that this student, you are overheating. Oh, come on. You are overheating. Overheating. Spelling doesn't matter. Last statement. You have COVID. Go back home. I don't know if this program will work. So now let's just test. Let's test if this works. So we come here, right? Let's execute that. Man, this is it's just executing another program. So we wanna run this guy. Run it as
Whatever. My name is Bonello. What? What? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, we didn't prompt the user to enter their name. Oh, flip. So we'll system out. Um, what is your captured temperature? I know temperature is not temperature. Come on, that spelling is wrong. I know for certain. Temperature. I don't. Whatever it is. Whatever it is. Whatever it is. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Your name. My student number is that, right? And then your name is Sibonelo. And then what is your captured? Ah, come on, invalid input. Your student number is that. My name is Sibonelo. Then 21. Sibonelo, you've got COVID-19. Let's go. Another student coming in. John, right? They've got 30. You will say if you can go in campus. If you've got another student, their name is Joe, right? If 66, the student is overheating. Okay, now we'll just handle, because this is going through a constant loop. So we'll just ask if the user wants to. Um, okay, okay. If the user inputs what do we want to do? What do we want to do? Do you want to quit the program? That's just the last one, the last line of code. I'm actually done. How many minutes do we have left? I finished in time. So yeah, I finished in time. Our program does everything. So here I can just add in a functionality whereby I can ask the user if they want to quit or not. Okay. So just say system out. Press Q if you want to quit. Right. You can just press Q and then any other button. Just have it in a new line. Any other button if you want to continue. So I'm already done with the program. So we were done in 10 minutes. So this is just the nice to have. So now we'll have that into a string, right? We'll have that in our string, and then we'll just call our string option, right? Option, and then we'll just have it in our scanner dot next next line, right? And then we'll just trim that input, and then we'll just check if our option dot equals, but we want to ignore case. But now if it's equal to Q, right, then this will say that break out of the loop. Just break out of the loop, else just continue. Let's just see. So now let's start over the program all over again. So let's just to run that. Student number is that. My name is Bonello. Capture your. Do you want to quit the program? Let's just say W. This will capture another student. This is the name, 20. If I press Q, that should end our program. We can have a system out here that says you have stopped the system, right? Then we'll just have that cleared out. Let's just see name whatever it is, and then if it's Q, you have stopped the program. That's just the end of the video. It ran for 14 minutes, including my intro,
But
but
10 minutes, I was done with the solution. Yeah, I managed to pass this by a couple of seconds. So yeah, guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. just to support me. This, I know I normally host tutorials, running through an explanation on the concept and then going about showing you the code, but just this video was just for fun, to just test myself. Thank you very much.